What's up, YouTube? It's Kubota G5200 puller here. Yeah, different tractor in this video. And sorry I haven't uploaded in a month, but yeah. This is a new tractor we bought a couple months ago. I called Hick Life from my buddy Sean Morris over there at the Hick Life clothing company. Check that out, hicklife.com. Some dope ass merch. We have a Briggs & Stratton 18 horse opposed twin, if it'll focus. I see gold. It's a Craftsman tractor, GT18. I actually did try to hook up a rear kill switch on it. It worked the first time, but I ended up frying the original coil, so I had to get a new coil. And I couldn't get it running, so actually a family friend of ours helped us get it fixed, so now it does work. Ready to go pulling. Have a set of 26 12 agricultural tires on it. For the kill switch, I just use a trailer breakaway switch, and I just cut off the excess of the cabling. See that? Yeah, so like I said, it's a twin cylinder, 18. You have anything to say, Ron?
Nope.
Yep, he's just a dick. Anyway, I'll do a quick start up here for you guys. And I'll show you the kill switch does work. So there you can see the kill switch does kill off the engine. So we are in fact ready to go pulling, hopefully this coming Sunday, I believe. So, and she's ready to go. All we need to do is add weights.
Weights? What do you mean add weights?
So yeah. What's that, Ron?
What do you mean add weights?
I said add weights.
Yeah, weights.
Add weights so it gets it to the right weight for the class. Because this is an 18 horse twin, I'm going to be running it in the 20 horse twin class. Idiot, you're not going to stop. But anyway, yeah, I got the tractor with the name of Hick Life on here, like I said. I still have yet to get a sponsor sticker on this tractor. I have one on the diesel, which you know is Gone Hunting, which is what this channel is all about, the Kubota G5200 puller. So yeah, just gotta wait for sponsor stickers for this tractor and get the diesel. Like, it runs, I just gotta fix the drive shaft. So yeah, like I said, 26 12. It's a 6-speed manual transmission, belt drive. Anyway, yeah. Hick Life. Thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Have a good day.